Aiper Seagull Pro Troubleshooting Frequently Asked Questions. Why is my Aiper Seagull Pro not charging? Ensure the charger is correctly connected and the outlet works. Check for any visible damage to the charging port. How do I reset my Aiper Seagull Pro? Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the device restarts. This should reset the system. Why is my Aiper Seagull Pro moving slowly? Check for debris or obstructions in the wheels or brushes. Clean them to ensure smooth operation. How can I improve battery life? Charge fully before first use. Avoid overcharging and store in a cool, dry place when not in use. What do I do if it stops mid-cycle? Inspect for obstructions or low battery. Clear any debris and recharge if needed. Restart the cleaning cycle.